This is a hybrid Vinca plant, and this I brought from a nursery very recently. So you can think now today the topic is, as you can see, hybrid Vinca. So I will cover up the requirements of sun, and I will describe about growing this plant. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. So when you bring this plant from a nursery, the first question that you get is, where am I going to locate this? Watering, sunlight requirements, fertilizer, and the soil. So the first thing is the location. Where am I going to locate this plant? So this plant requires a lot of sunlight to bloom, but with the space availability, you can ground this plant or you can put it in a pot. So now when talking about soil, you need well draining soil because plants need well moistured soil. Like you can use garden soil, then you can add a little bit of sand and compost of your choice. So now when talking about sunlight, the most important thing, this plant will do in a place where it gets a full morning sunlight. So if you have put this in a pot, make sure to keep it under a bigger tree. So do not let this plant face the direct bright sunlight. 4 to 5 hours of morning sunlight will do for this plant to bloom, and if you are planning to keep this indoors, this is one of the beautiful plants to have indoors. So make sure that the plant gets the filtered sunlight. So the best tip is to keep it near a window so that the plant will get the requirement of the sunlight. So that's about sunlight for this hybrid Vinca plant. And do not forget this tip as well. Do not water this plant from the head. What do I mean? Do not pour water from the head. You can water the roots, because if these leaves get overwatered, it might get affected by the fungal and also the mealybug problem. So make sure that you avoid these when planting this beautiful hybrid Vinca plant. So to get more flowers in this plant, you can use organic fertilizers like banana peel or kitchen waste fertilizer. You can always keep them in water for about 24 hours to 48 hours and apply them on the roots. That is a great booster to see lot of flowers in Vinca plant. So my plant still in this grow bag. I will have to repot it because this I brought down 2 days back. So I'm going to keep it another day as it is, and I will repot it, and I will do another video about this repotting of Vinca plant. So today I have covered up the sunlight requirements, watering, soil, and about the most important tips of growing hybrid Vinca. I hope you find it useful, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.